ate all the blue ones. There's only like 4. But I'm not gonna eat anything else. Hey, Bev. Say hi.
I'm so dark.
I'm just gonna eat this. She loves black jelly beans. She's either gonna get fulfilled other ways or get sex. Do you wanna come with?
Sure. Don't give my mom one. She's gonna freak out.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I forgot to redirect the camera the other way. I can't switch it back to outer.
You forgot how.
I'm gonna go sit by.
You forgot how to?
No, you can't. Well, you're still recording. Mom, do you want a jelly bean? You sure? Here's a black one.
No, thank you. You said
Please.
Watch out.
Please.
All right. What's
Here
the?
you go.
What's the? It's not gonna taste like it.
Puff Gales?
It's licorice.
Dang it! Dang
The black one is terrible.
Let's redirect the video to something successful. Not me with yo-yos, just you with yo-yos. You're not even in the camera. Oh, yeah, never mind, you are. Don't get mad at the yo-yo. Look at my talent with it. Precisely what I'm not doing it.
Wait, I messed it. No, there's a crack like right here and it gets stuck on it. Hold up.
Thumbs up, man.